Let's understand what is Global Garner and how can you get benefit from it. This is Divya. She has only one app in her mobile, that is Global Garner. She deleted all the other apps because she does all her shopping from Global Garner. Be it monthly grocery shopping from Big Bazaar or Shoppers Stop, Pantaloons, shopping from Mega Brand for lifestyle or fashion, if she wants to book flight, bus or hotel, or she wants to order medicine for her grandmother, or wants to shop from online shopping websites like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. Did you know she also shops from her city's local shop through Global Garner? She also pays all her bills and recharges through the app. In Global Garner, there are many other modules like matrimony, resale, franchise, loan, and many more for all your daily needs. Do you know? After spending so much through Global Garner, Divya still saves so much with our 4 cashback options. First, My Circle, where you can earn up to 1 crore from your social circle just by referring 6 people. That too by spending only 10,000 and earn instant cashback of every referral along with GG coins on every shopping. Second, Instant Cashback, where you get 2% to 10% cashback instantly along with GG coins. Third, Systematic Cashback Random Pick Process, where you get 2% to 100% cashback in a month with instant GG coins. And if you can wait little longer, then you can get 100% cashback with our 4th cashback option, Systematic Cashback First in First Out, in 3 installments with DigiCoins. Divya can easily transfer the cashback she got to her bank account and the GG coins she got. She can use them 5% discount of the bill amount of the selected vendors. Also, she can convert this GG coins into real money at the 4th payout of Systematic Cashback FIFO or on every stage of My Circle after the 4th referral circle to earn 1 crore. Not just this, she earns a lot more by referring her friends and family on GG. 10% cashback of her referral who earns lifetime. Whenever her referral registers or generates UPV, she gets reward. She also have referred many vendors on GG through which she keeps on earning. Now tell us, what will you choose? Shop without Global Garner and get guaranteed 0, or shop through Global Garner and get guaranteed cashback or reward? Let's understand how Global Garner gives cashback. When a buyer purchases a product from the seller and then seller gives that product to the buyer and buyer in return pays a certain amount to the seller, and this cycle has been going on and will be going on in the future. Now Global Garner is in between buyer and seller. Just like our buyer Divya, who shops from her favorite shop, and seller from where she used to shop till now, but now she shops through Global Garner or Global Garner registered vendors, and the sellers pay commission on the sale that was made through Global Garner. And from the commission we give you all the cash back through our 4 processes, and this cycle continues. Now you must be thinking about cashback processes. Global Garner gives cashback through its copyrighted algorithm, which is called Systematic Cashback. Let's see how. Just like Divya, when any user purchases a product through Global Garner, some product get auto-tracked and for some you have to upload the bill. After that, seller approves this purchase and gives GG marketing fees in the form of commission. These purchases are sent to cashback cycle, and as soon as 10,000 purchase is done, then user is allotted a specific number which is called UPV, User Purchase Value. Whatever amount you have spent on your purchase, you get equivalent amount of GG coins. As soon as UPV is generated, user gets movie voucher worth Rs 200. Before any purchase, you can select your cashback option. So let's see, when you have selected My Circle, how can you earn from your spending? Which is approx 30 lakhs as real money, cashback, and with that 70 lakh GG coin which can be converted into GG money. Let's see how. Only by referring 6 people who can shop in our system without changing their choice of brand. My Circle has 9 circle referrals. First of all, Divya has to generate her first UPV. Then she has to complete her first referral circle only by referring 6 people who are generating UPVs. So Divya will get 500 cashback from first circle. Now Divya has to do nothing to earn. She just has to guide those 6 people in her circle to do all their shopping through us. Just like for Divya, it was easy to refer 6 people and ask them to create their UPVs. It would be easy for those 6 people to refer their own 6 people and ask them to create UPV. Because everyone knows at least 6 people. Just like this, every 6 people or 6 UPVs have to refer to complete their circle. Similarly, every UPV have to refer 6 UPV to complete their circle. There are 9 circles like this which will benefit you. Referral circle number 1, which Divya has created by referring 6 UPVs, will get her Rs 500 as cashback. Referral circle number 2, which Divya's referral will create, will give her 1000 rupees as cashback. Referral circle number 3 will give Divya Rs 3500 as cashback, and referral number circle 4 will give her Rs 5000 cashback. But here, Divya's 10,000 GG coins will be converted into GG money. When referral circle number 5 completes, Divya will get Rs 18,000 as cashback and 36,000 GG coins conversion to real cashback. At referral circle number 6, Divya will get 50,000 as GG money, cashback and 1 lakh coin conversion into real cashback. Similarly, at referral circle number 7, she will get 1,50,000 and 3 lakh of coin conversion into real cashback. On 8th circle, she will get 6,72,000 real cashback and 15 lakh of coin conversion into real money. And after completing 9th circle, she will get 21 lakh GG money and 50 lakh of coin conversion into real cashback. If you calculate this, Divya will get approx 30 lakh GG money and approx 70 lakh coin conversion into real cashback, which brings the total of 1 crore. In this cashback, every UPV has to refer 6 UPVs under their UPV. Then this 6 UPV have to refer 6 UPVs under them, and like this, every UPV has to refer 6 UPVs under them till 9th level of the circle. If any UPV doesn't perform, you can replace them. It is very easy to earn this cashback because you have to refer new UPV and not new user. Population and your circle is limited. So other referral circles stop after certain stage, but here you have to refer UPV, which is continuous shopping circle. That too from those brands which they were shopping from before without changing your habit through Global Gardener. One more specialty about this cashback is that after every UPV you will get cashback depending upon your referral circle without waiting to tag all 6 UPVs under any UPV. Like in first referral circle under your UPV, after first UPV is generated, you will get Rs 75 as cashback, and second UPV you will get 75 again, and in third also you will get Rs 75 as cashback. At fourth and fifth again Rs 75, and at sixth rest Rs 125. Just first referral circle's disbursement of Rs 500, which completes the referral. Just like this, at every level according to the amount of cashback after UPV is generated, you will get cashback immediately. So you can control your cashback and keep earning. This is a continuous cycle because you can generate your UPV at any time and start a new circle. And you can take all your UPV till the 9th referral circle, and it's same for your referrals. To whom you have referred, their circle starts where their UPV is number 1, and they can take it to the further levels only by referring 6 UPVs. So, isn't earning from spending is very easy now? Also, when Divya refers someone and that person creates my circle, then along with my circle cashback, she also gets referral cashback, which is 10% of referrals cashback. And also this cashback Divya can transfer to her bank account very easily. Now let's understand other cashbacks and how SCB concept works. If you have selected systematic cashback first in first out, then you can get 100% cashback in 3 installments through SCB tagging system. Highlight about this cashback is that to generate your UPV, you don't have to do any additional shopping. You just have to shop of your daily needs, and you don't have to refer anyone for your cashback. Let's see how. Let's assume Divya generates system first UPV. When 6 new UPVs are generated under her UPV, she gets Rs 500 of her cashback. When 36 new UPVs are generated under her UPV, she gets 1000 as cashback. When 216 new UPVs are generated under her UPV, she gets Rs 8500 as cashback. And in additional, when 1296 new UPVs are generated under her UPV, then she gets rupees 10,000 cashback through coin conversion. This cashback Divya got in the form of GG Money, which is real cashback, and she can transfer it to her bank account. Or you can choose Systematic Cashback Random Pick process. In this cashback, generated UPVs in 1 month are pooled and selected randomly by the system. UPVs get 5%, 10% or 85% cashback. In this cashback, all UPVs get minimum of 2% reward and 100% cashback as GG coins. Or you can choose Instant Cashback, where you can get 2% to 10% cashback without generating UPV and GG coins equivalent to your shopping amount. Now let us explain what is tagging process. When UPV number 1 enters the system, after that tagging starts in a horizontal manner in a cluster of 6 UPVs. UPV number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 6 UPVs will be tagged under UPV number 1. And UPV number 1 will get its first installment of rupees 500. These UPVs are generated globally and independently. You only have to do your own shopping to generate your UPV, nothing else, which you have been doing before too. And the best part is every 6 UPVs in the system will give you rupees 500 cashback to someone. When UPV number 8 comes in the system, it will be tagged under UPV number 2. Point to be noted here that it came in the system after UPV number 7 because this tagging system works like a typewriter and completes every level with 6 UPVs. When 6 UPVs 18 to 13 enters in the system, it will be tagged under UPV number 2 and UPV number will get its first cashback installment of rupees 500 because 6 UPVs were bunched under it. After that, UPV number 14 to 19 will be tagged under UPV number 3 and UPV number 3 will get its first cashback installment. UPV number 20 to 25 will be tagged under UPV 4 and UPV number 4 will get its first cashback installment. UPV number 26 to 31 will be tagged under UPV number 5 and UPV number 5 will get its first installment. UPV number 32 to 37 will be tagged under UPV number 6 and UPV number 6 will get its first cashback installment. Similarly, UPV number 38 to 43 will be tagged under UPV number 7 and UPV number 7 will get its first installment. After this, tagging UPV number 1 will get its second cashback installment, that is of rupees 1000 because 36 new UPVs has been tagged under it. This horizontal level gets completed by 6 UPVs getting tagged under a UPV. Now this will go downwards just like we told you before, like a typewriter. And further, 6 new UPVs 44 to 49 will be tagged under UPV number 8 and 50 to 55 under UPV number 9, 56 to 61 under UPV number 10 and 62 to 67 under UPV number 11, 68 to 73 under UPV number 12, 74 to 79 under UPV number 13. And these UPVs will get their first installment of rupees 500. And UPV number 2 will get second installment as 36 new UPVs were tagged under it, 44 to 79. This will continue for other UPVs too. This process may take some time, but something is better than nothing. If not today, tomorrow you will be getting your money back, which you have spent on your daily necessities. Regular expenses. You have not bought anything from us, you have only purchased from your regular brands. If you don't want to wait, you can try your luck with SCB RPP, or if you want little bit but instantly, then go for instant cashback. You must be thinking, if we are giving 100% cashback, what we are earning. Whenever someone purchases through Global Garner, we get commission from that particular seller or vendor, which is 5% to 20%, and it depends on category or segment. For example, if we get 5% of commission, then when first UPV is generated, then company will get 5% commission. Company will get 5% of 10,000, that is 500 rupees, as UPV means 10,000. On this level, company gets rupees 500 and against that, we give rupees 200 movie vouchers. On first level, when 6 UPVs are generated, we get commission of rupees 3,000 and against that, we give UPV number 1, rupees 500. On second level, when 36 UPVs are generated, we get commission of rupees 18,000 and against that, we give UPV number 1,000 rupees as second installment and 500 to 6 UPVs. On this level, we give total cashback of rupees 4,000. On third level, when 216 UPVs are generated, we get a commission of rupees 1,08,000, and against that we give UPV number 1 8,500 as third installment, and 1,000 to 6 UPVs and 500 to 36 UPVs. On this level, we give total cashback of rupees 32,500. Here, first UPV got its 100% cashback. Not only this, now on fourth level, when 1 to 9 6 UPVs are generated, we get commission of rupees 6,48,000, and against that 10,000 GG coins are converted into 10,000 GG money. Isn't it life-changing concept for Divya? Company gives 10,000 as fourth installment to UPV number 1 and 8,500 to 6 UPVs of first level, and rupees 1,000 to 36 UPVs on second level, and rupees 500 to 216 UPVs on third level. Company on this level gives rupees 2,05,000 of total cashback. In this whole cycle, company will get commission of rupees 7,77,500, total movie voucher which is given to 1,555 UPVs whose cost is 3,11,000 because all UPV gets movie voucher. We give total cashback of rupees 5,53,000, and the company will have the rest, that is 2,24,500, with which we manage our operational cost. So isn't it a win-win situation? No mandatory referral chain, no mandatory shopping for UPV generation, no risk, no change in product or its cost. So what will you prefer? Spend and forget, or like Divya, spend and earn? Choice is yours. Guaranteed cashback with Global Garner or guaranteed zero without Global Garner. Many user benefits, all in one universal app, 4 cashback options to choose from. Guaranteed 2% to 100% cashback or reward. GG Money cashback up to 100%, which can be transferred to your bank account on shopping and referral. 100% instant cashback through GG Coin on shopping. 2% to 100% cashback reward through SCB, RPP or IC. 10% of cashback or reward received by the referral user. Get 3.75% of the commission paid by the referred vendor to GG, no upper limit. 100% cashback or reward through SCB FIFO in 3 installment. 2% to 100% fuel cashback or reward through fuel cashback options. 100% instant cashback or reward on purchase. 50 GG coins on every new referral registration, converted to GG Money as additional fourth payout of SCB FIFO. To know more about the user benefits, visit the website, scan the QR. Our mission: to create 21,000 entrepreneurs, 36 lakh digitally empowered vendors, 72 lakhs sustainable jobs. Our vision is empowering people, creating earning opportunity for all, and providing business sales services to all business with zero capital investment. Thank you. For more information, visit